Hey, what's up guys? Brian here from Renshaw's Personal Training. In today's video, what we're gonna go over is a bicep exercise that really concentrates on those peaks. The exercise that we're gonna be talking about today is posterior drag curls, and we're gonna be using the Smith machine to incorporate this exercise. All right guys, so hope everyone's having a great week. Like I said, today we're gonna be talking about biceps. We're gonna be focusing on the peak of the biceps, and we're gonna be focusing on an exercise called posterior drag curls, and we're gonna be doing them on the Smith machine. The reason I've been liking these on the Smith machine recently is because you can adjust any angle you want without having to worry about balancing the bar or other muscles really compensating to take away from the bicep. So the Smith machine allows us to do that, to really get in the optimal position and concentrate on that squeeze. So in this video, what I'm gonna be doing is sharing 3 tips that I like to incorporate with this exercise to really get the most out of it, right? Now, first of all, this is a very unique exercise, so focus on the quality of the movement, try not putting tons of weight on right away, and then as you progress, you can always increase the weight later, right? So the first tip that we're gonna be talking about is the position of the Smith machine. Now, some Smith machines actually have a slight angle to them, and if that's the case, then what you wanna do is make sure that you're on the right side of the Smith machine. And what I mean by that is that you can see right here with where I'm standing, the slant goes towards my head. Okay, if we were doing it on the other direction, it would be going away from our body, and we don't want that with our posterior drag curls, right? We want the bar to stay close to our body the whole time through this movement. So tip number 1 is just really making sure if that Smith machine is slightly out of slant, you should be standing on the side where the slant comes towards your head, right? If you have a Smith machine that's vertical, it doesn't really matter which side that you stand on, okay? So I want to get this point across first, so we don't make the mistake of standing on the wrong side. Tip number 2 we're gonna be going over is our wrist placement on the bar, okay? So grabbing the Smith machine, we're actually gonna be pointing our wrist down to the ground, as you can see here, and as I'm curling the bar up, or dragging my elbows back, I'm keeping my wrist pointing down the whole time, okay? So I'm not moving my wrist or flexing my forearms, because that's gonna cause the Smith machine bar to move and to lock. We don't want that. Also, dragging the wrist is gonna help increase the contraction on the peaks of our biceps, okay? And I want you to understand this, right? So making sure that the wrists are actually pointing down, right? As we're coming up and dragging those elbows back is gonna increase the concentration here, right? On these bicep peaks, rather than keeping those wrists straight. And the third tip we're gonna be talking about is the bar placement and how close we wanna be to that bar. So basically, when you're grabbing the barbell, you wanna be all the way close to the bar. As you can see right here, my body's close to it, and as I'm curling or dragging my elbows back, that bar is staying close to my body at all times. And that's extremely important, because as you drag your wrist and point your wrist down, it's gonna be a very natural movement for your biceps if that bar's closer to your body, okay? So pulling that bar close to your body and those elbows back and contracting those biceps is gonna work a lot better than if we were to stand further away from that bar, okay? I hope these tips make sense to you guys. Try this exercise out. It's a very, very different and unique exercise. Like I said, maybe just start with very light weight first, and then you could always increase the weight and decrease the reps later on as you get the feel for the biomechanics of this exercise. Guys, like always, if you have questions, please leave me a comment. Also, if you need help to break through that plateau and to build that quality muscle that we're all after, please check out the membership workout program at renshawspt.com. Right now, we're going through the February workouts, gladiator sets and compound movements. Great workouts, please check those out. Like always guys, quality over quantity. I'll talk to you soon.